All right, well, good afternoon. It is Monday and car is clean, super clean. So Wednesday we're gonna get it paint corrected and ceramic coated. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I see swirls from the dealership and Mercedes there. There's some up on the hood, up on the roof, on the back. So hopefully we'll get all of this worked out. These things, I love this carbon fiber. This looks really fire. You know, there's some over here. I can see them right here. I don't know if those are coming through. You know, wheels are looking real nice. Yeah, I washed the car, man. It is a total pain in the ass. It takes about an hour and a half to get it to look like this. Man, this spoiler carbon fiber is just absolutely fire. I love it. So yeah, so this is going to be the before, and then we'll see the after. You know, it's definitely looking You know, I see little scratches from me washing this damn thing, and got some little scratches there. I want to get that buffed out. But yeah, so we're gonna do a little before and after on the car. So this is the before, and you'll probably see the after on Thursday or Friday. He says he's gonna keep it for like 2 days. So, you know, look at the swirls right here. Like really? Like, I probably could have taken it back to the dealership and said no bueno. I see little scratches there, but yeah, that's what's going on. And damn, dude, I love this thing clean. Look at the sparkles in the paint, dude. Oh my goodness, it looks so nice. This is the obsidian black, and of course after I washed it, they came and do the goddamn lawn next door and just like dusted it with all this grass. I was like, no. And I knew they were gonna do it. They all, every time I watched it, they always seem to cut the grass like that, say like an hour later. It looks tasty. All right, so this is the before, and let's see how that paint correction looks and the ceramic. You know, it should be nice. About 1,300 bucks, 14. I'm excited. All right. All right, well, we're back. All right, now the car has been paint corrected and ceramic coated. Just got it back. So let's take a little look. So the swirls we had there are gone. That looks really nice. And look at the hood, dude. Not a scratch on it. Whew. It is looking really good. I used upscale detailing here in Vero Beach to do the work, and I gotta say, I like it. I like it a lot. Looks real nice. We had those little scratches that were right there, gone. Got the scratches that were on the roof, the swirls from polishing, gone. And just really look at the flakes, man. No scratches at all, not even the little ones. It's just all you see is those flakes. Looks really good. All right, so I gave the guys like $100 tip, buy them lunch and stuff, so that looks really good. All right, let's hop in the car and we're gonna talk about how I feel after like 2,700 miles. All right, let's. Yummy. Looks really nice. Brandon and them guys over there at Upscale Detailing did a great job. Alright, let's did we get it? What's with all the bugs we get in this car? Alright, I'm gonna hop in the back seat and we'll talk about the car. I've never sat back here. Of course the GoPro turns off because of overheating. Like, what the hell? Do I need to take this thing back to the store? Alright, so I've never sat back here before. It's actually not bad. You know? Seats are comfortable. I got good leg room. Nice little armrests, speaker grills. You can see why they said cheese grater, because you can probably grate some cheese on that. That's kind of cool. Alright, so here, this is so you guys can see. So these were all the options. I'll try to sit still. So retail price and what I paid was $96,240, and you can see all the optional crap we got. Annual fuel cost is wrong. And yeah, so there you go. Alright, I wonder if you could sit in that center console. Alright, that would be kind of uncomfortable, honestly. So we'll set that aside. So now we've gotten all the tinting done. So you have XL, the Prime Plus on. This is kind of nice. You know, I like how it bulbs out a little bit for the seat belts. That's kind of cool. So we got XL Prime Plus on all windows. So you can feel it, man. It doesn't even get hot. Like when you got your arm here and stuff. Stuff is really nice. I definitely recommend it. It's actually nice back here, man. I could definitely see sitting back here. Let's try to pop this. Never done that. That's actually not bad. It's good. It's right on the right side. You know, you feel kind of nice. Let's set that back. Yeah, there's nowhere to really rest your arm. Those work. Yeah, I swear I've never been back here. And none of you guys are driving, so I'm never going to be back here. Oh, so 2,700 miles, you know, it's fun. It's a fun car. You know, I love driving it. It's really fun to drive. It's a fun car. You know, it's beautiful. Look at this interior. Interior is just really nice. You know, it feels luxurious, but then you have that little bit of speed too and stuff. You know, I could definitely be sitting back here. Maybe I will get somebody to drive one day. Be like you drive. Just gotta sit back here and look out the window. So yeah. You know, the cruise control is gonna drive you a little nuts. Honestly, it does me. Because anytime like the speed limit changes, the car kind of just like, you know, it just goes right to that speed. You know, if you could just set it where it just did like 10 over all the time, that would be awesome, but you can't. And if you go through like a school zone or something, like goes from, you know, 45 to 20, you know, the car will just like slam on the brakes, and next thing you know, you're doing 20, even though it's 8 p.m. in the evening. So if you're not like really paying attention, you know, which can happen with cruise control, you can be kind of surprised by it. The lane assist, hate it. I tried to turn it back on, and I still hate it. I turned it back off. They have that like suggestions tab. It took me like a month and a half before I figured it out, where you can set themes for the car. So you can have like a comfort theme, and then you can have like the Sports Plus theme, because then when I switch the theme, it goes straight to individual, and has all the settings that I like, you know. And let's say I wanted to have like a performance, how the engine's doing, it'll just automatically switch to it, which is really cool. Or like with comfort, it'll just switch to the map. So you know, that's really nice. It took me a while to figure that out. I won't lie. And let's see what else. You know, the interior is nice with the saddle brown. It's, you know, I got lots of leg room. I'm not the biggest guy in the world. I'm only like 5'8", but you know, I got lots of leg room up here and lots of headroom. So microfiber roof is pretty cool back here. Nice. Hey, what's this? All right, that's cool. Is that not, can't like, is there a button back here for that? I don't think so. That's my goofy landlady. Hi. So yeah, so I'm really really happy with what they did. It looks super nice. Renee, she's like a second mother. She's like the landlady. She's cool. So I'm not gonna tell her she's gonna be on YouTube. So the gas mileage, like we talked about gas mileage before, it's really good in comfort. It's terrible in Sports Plus, but whatever. Hopefully gas prices will go back down. It won't really matter. And yeah, I'll probably never sit back here again, but if I ever have to in somebody else's E53, I won't be disappointed. There's kind of a mark on the leather. I wonder if that's doing that over here too. Can that go farther down? Nope. Guess you can put it up there. I wonder if that'll rattle around. So yeah, paint correction. I think it's something that, you know, even from the factory dealership, you know, just I think it's worth it. It's like $1,400. I'd definitely do it again. The ceramic coating, you know, we'll just have to see after a couple washes how it turns out. And yeah, love that wood dash. Looks really nice. And I really, you know, people are kind of torn on the steering wheel, but I like that dual spoke. I think it looks really good. And you know, I never hit any buttons by accident. I don't have the biggest hands, blah. But you know, it all seems to work. You know, some people don't like the switches for comfort and everything else at the bottom, those round ones, but I kind of dig it. Kind of gives the car like a really kind of just coolness, you know. Just looks sci-fi, I guess would be a good word. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to get a SL63 next. You know, I just like two doors. You know, that'll be the V8 and stuff. And got to ride in a Lamborghini today, Spider, which was pretty sick. And who knows, maybe get one of those too. Yeah, it's nice. So car leaves on the on Monday for Ohio, which is gonna be nice. It's gonna be fun driving up there in a little bit cooler weather. And yeah, it's nice back here, man. It really is. You know, I can feel the air coming around the door. You know, these vents work really well. Not too shabby. Huh. Alright, they articulate quite a lot. And yeah. An ashtray, that's ridiculous. Cup holders. I don't know, I wish they had some kind of like insert that you could so you couldn't see this, but whatever, I never sit back here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish the video here. So you got to see the before and the after on that paint correction. Worth every penny. The car is absolutely beautiful, and I consider it completely finished. You know, so we got the XPEL, the tint, get the windshield done too, and just to protect the leather and everything, and paint correction. Oh, all right, last thing I want to do is I want the door handles. I want to have that wrapped in black, and that ring around the wheels, I want to get that wrapped with like a matte black, just to kind of black out the side of the car. All right, we're not done just yet. We're gonna get that done, and then we'll be done. Maybe. I don't see what else there really is to do, but so yeah, thanks for tagging along on my E53 adventures. You know we're gonna be doing some driving in Ohio, dude. Some of those, like when the corn is at full stock, some of those country roads and stuff, I think that'll be really kind of cool to do some driving. And we're gonna go to southern Ohio. There's kind of like, looks like some kind of hillish, mountainous kind of terrain, and yeah, I think that'll be fun too. All right, wish everyone the best, and I'll talk to you later.